Sure, here's a 500-word script for a YouTube video in American English about the 1960 GMC vintage pickup truck price, with a natural tone and the channel intro for Car Zone included. Welcome back to Car Zone, your go-to channel for everything classic, rare, and roadworthy. If you love vintage rides and legendary machines, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a piece of automotive history. Today, we're talking about a true classic, the 1960 GMC vintage pickup truck. This truck isn't just metal and wheels. It's a piece of American heritage. The kind of truck that reminds you of open roads, hard work, and simpler times. The 1960 GMC pickup marked a new design era for General Motors. It was the first year GMC trucks introduced the all-new CK series body style, which came with a lower and wider stance than the previous models. With its signature hood design, quad headlights, and wide grille, this truck had real presence. It was tough, functional, and had that rugged charm you just don't see in modern trucks anymore. Back then, you could buy one brand new for around $2,000. But these days, finding one in good condition is a whole different story. Prices vary a lot depending on condition, originality, and customization. If you're looking for a fully restored, showroom-quality 1960 GMC pickup, you can expect to pay anywhere between $30,000 and $60,000. Some even push past that, especially if they've had frame-off restorations, modern upgrades, or custom modifications. Now, if you're someone who loves a good project and don't mind getting your hands dirty, a non-restored or barn find 1960 GMC can still be found for as low as $8,000 to $15,000. But keep in mind, restoring one of these beauties can get expensive real quick. Parts aren't always easy to come by, especially if you want to keep everything original. But for many collectors and enthusiasts, that's part of the fun. Another factor that affects the price is the engine. These trucks originally came with either an inline E6 or a V8, and while both are appreciated today, a factory V8 model tends to fetch a bit more. Add in the fact that many of these trucks have been swapped with modern drivetrains or suspension systems, and you're looking at a wide range of builds out there, each with its own price tag. Paint condition, interior, and whether the truck still has its original parts also play a major role in value. A completely stock truck will usually attract collectors, while a modified one might appeal more to someone looking for performance and drivability. Whether you're looking to collect, restore, or just admire, the 1960 GMC pickup is a solid investment that continues to grow in value year after year. It's not just a truck, it's a symbol of craftsmanship and character. That wraps up today's ride. Drop a comment below if you've ever driven one of these legends or if you're hunting for one yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Zone for more classic car content, restoration tips, and automotive stories that keep the wheels turning. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Let me know if you'd like a version with visual cues for editing or if you want it shortened for YouTube Shorts.